At the end of the day, homemaking is still such an important part of us, and it is the most important part of us, and we want to excel at it.
So the general idea of Hakol Beseder is that homemaking can be enjoyed and should be enjoyed. This is a typical scenario that most women can relate to. They start cleaning the dining room table, they found the brush, so they go to the laundry room, they found a pair of shoes, so they go to the kitchen room, they found the bottle, so they go to the sink, and this can go on for hours. When the mother's not coping and she's constantly stressed, it definitely pours over into other areas. And why we find ourselves so overwhelmed is because we've got so much on our mind, and we jump from one thing to the other. Multitasking is such a myth.
I feel like schedule it's a personality type. I don't know if I would do so well with these kind of like rigid, from 2 to 2:15 I have to do this. Like,
now habit has something else to it. Habit happens on autopilot.
I used to look at people that have 3, 4, 5 kids. I'm like, how?
When we have a lot on our plate, thinking about it is already exhausting. For a moment, let that feeling wash over you. Baruch Hashem, look at this pile of laundry. These are all my people.
They think that empowering women is by telling them that you can't have so many kids, you can't do this, can't do that.
But knowing that you can manage it is so much more encouraging than knowing, oh, it's all right, your plate's overwhelmed, you're excused. You're excused for what? Life goes on.